The Aam Aadmi Party has called a gathering of all Delhi MLAs to convene at the Chief Minister's residence today at 5 p.m. This meeting has been convened to discuss and analyze the recent election results. It is expected that key leaders of the party will be in attendance at this crucial meeting. Of course, latest developments there coming in at this point of time. My colleague Arzu Seth with us on the broadcast. Arzu, give our viewers an understanding on this meeting that's expected to take place at Delhi at Chief Minister's residence at 5 p.m. today.
Well, Savri, a very important meeting that Aam Aadmi Party has called just after the election held, the Lok Sabha election held in the country, where we have seen the result of Delhi that was opposite what the Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress alliance was expecting. Whether we talk about the structure here in the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party was, fighting on the 4 seats, whereas the Congress on the 3 seats, but they were not able to, in fact, get a single seat in the national capital. And that's the reason why Aam Aadmi Party has called a meeting at the CM residence at the civil lines, where all the MLAs will come. In fact, the party's senior leader, whether we talk about Sanjay Singh, Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, all will be present there to address the issues that, on the basis of which such things happen. What was the reason that the performance was so low in the national capital? So these are all the issues that will be addressed in the meeting. In fact, the question will be raised because on the places where there has been MLAs, where there has been, from where the Atishi comes from, all the places there has been a very low voting. There has been a no vote for the Aam Aadmi Party. So these are the reasons due to which the Aam Aadmi Party has called a meeting today at 5 p.m. in the evening at the CM residence, where Sunita Kejriwal will also be present, and including all the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party to address the issue related to the Lok Sabha defeat in the national capital.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.